Hello, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll be talking about HTML semantics. So HTML semantics refers to HTML that uses elements with meaningful names that clearly describe the purpose of what they do. So you know that when creating a container in HTML, we normally use this tag called div, which is a division tag. So with a division tag, I can add many things inside a div, like a paragraph. I can add a h1 and so on. So this serves as a container to a section that I want to create in the page, because websites are normally arranged in sections. So HTML semantic is talking about using element that has a meaningful name. So if I want to create a header, for example, like in the navigation menu or example, I can as well use this div to group them, like a create a listed another list, then put list, then an anchor tag. So I can as well use this as my container of the header as well. But HTML semantic is talking about using elements that has meaningful name, because this div is more like a generic name. So instead of using div, we'll be using something like header. You can see in the header, I can now carry all this content and put inside. So anytime I see something like header in my HTML file, I know I'm talking about the navigation menu and all that. So there are other elements that follows this convention. Like we have the header, we have the article. So this one is normally used, let's say you want to write a blog post, so you wrap them inside this article tag, then start writing whatever you're writing. Then we'll have the nav. So this nav is normally serves as a container to the navigation menu, and instead of putting this on other lists here, I'll put this nav inside it to show the beginning of the navigation. I'll put it here, then put this inside the nav. So this is the standard convention when creating navigation. So we also have as we have the header, we also have the footer. So footer is normally used to put content that is going to be at the bottom of your website. So this is going to be, you have the footer. Then if your website is going to have a sidebar, that means you'll be making use of this aside. Then instead of using div, if you want to separate things, you can as well use section for a particular section. Like if you want to like section your website, instead of using div, you can as well use section. Then these are the major HTML elements that are part of the HTML semantics. So thank you for following up on this HTML tutorial. I'll be creating another one on CSS and JavaScript, and as well I'll be diving deep into other topics that is like 5 or 10 minutes, so that you can actually grow in your web development journey. So I'm happy that you guys made it to the end of this video. Stay tuned as I release other videos. Thank you.